Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Keep watching if you want to know how I make these mini fried salmon bites. Alright y'all, here I have my salmon washed and cleaned, of course, and I'm going to season it with a couple of my favorite seasonings that I will leave down in the description box below. And after I finish seasoning both sides of my salmon, I'm going to cut them into small pieces. I try to get my autolism, but they raised on my nut. Like what they call the sisters and Catholic religion. Now, depending on how big you want your salmon bites, and of course you could cut them bigger, but I want mine small, so I'm going to cut them about an inch thick and slice them down the middle. But I swear you couldn't tell we live our life without no home. Plant a seed in your mind, water it and let it grow. Where I'm at right now is not forever, I'm gonna grow. The bitch mind watering, I dropped it in her throat. Owe me money and I see that. Alright, so boom. Now that I've cut and seasoned my salmon, I'm gonna place that to the side. And next I'm going to cook them. I'm taking this classic fried butter mix and I'm gonna add it into a bowl. And using the same seasonings that I used to season the fish with, I'm going to just add a little bit of it in that butter mix. And as you can see, I already have 2 eggs in a bowl. And I'm going to add some hot sauce and some buffalo sauce to my egg. Alright, now I'm taking my salmon and I'm going to dip it into my butter mix. I'm going to coat a good little layer of that butter mix onto my salmon. And then I'm going to take my salmon and dip it into my egg. Coat that up real good. And then I'm going to take my salmon and dip it back into my butter mix. And as I'm doing this, I do have my oil heating up on a medium-high heat. And you just want to make sure your oil is hot enough for you add in your salmon. By now your oil should be hot enough to add in your salmon. And it is time to fry these bad boys. Just watch over them. That's all I can really say at this point. Flip them every minute or 2 minutes or so. And once they start turning that crispy golden brownish color, that's when you know they're about done. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, give me feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious recipe, mini salmon bites. I would say these are an appetizer. And thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe. They call the sisters and Catholic religion. Rockstar lifestyle, got a nigga know. Don't leave losing too many around me, it got me through. Pray to Lord, my soul, the key can't let these demons get my soul. And it's crazy cause I'm sinning.